Okay. So your Q is 17 and your M is 3. Correct? Now you have to convert this 17 into binary. So how will you convert 17 into binary? 8 after 8 you get 16. Right? So 16 1 8 0 4 0 2 0 plus 1. So 16 plus 1 becomes 17. So binary of 17 is 1 0 0 0 1. Is this correct? Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
Yes. Then your n will be how much? Depending upon the size of the queue or number of bits in the queue. So how many bits you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your n is how much? Your n will be equal to 5. Your AC will be how much? Your AC will be
Ma'am, the
n.
M will be of the size AC, right?
Yes, yes, I am doing that. Let me first complete AC, then we'll go to M. Okay. So your AC will be n plus 1, which will be 6. So how many zeros initially? 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So your contents of AC is 6 zeros. So your number of bits in AC will be equal to number of bits in your M. So your binary of 3 is 0, 0, 1, 1. So this is 4 bits, but I want to make it 6 bits. So what will I do? I will append more 2 and make it as 6 bits. Is this clear up till here?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How many cycles? Number of cycles will be n equal to 5. Now you have to also find out minus m. What is minus m? It is 2's complement of m. So you have 1 as it is, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Is your minus m correct? 4, 1, 0, 1.
Yeah, ma'am.
Has everyone? Yes. Everyone has understood up till here? So if in the question contains decimal numbers for division using restoring, you have to convert those decimals into binary, count the number of bits into Q. Depending on those number of bits, your n will be decided. Then your AC will be n plus 1. Depending on that, you will convert your m into those many number of bits and also find out minus m will be, which will be 2's complement of m. Okay. Now let us go to the first cycle. So what we have to do is we have A, C, we have Q, and we have what operation has to be performed. Okay. So initially how many zeros are there in the Q? It is, sorry, how many zeros in the AC? 6 zeros. So start writing 6 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. What is the content of my Q? The content of my Q is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct? Is this correct? Yes. So what is my first operation? I'll be doing shift left. So the bits are to be shifted towards the left hand side. So when I shift the bit towards left hand side, the 0 is removed. This 0 will come over here. This 0 will come over here. This 0 will be shifted to left. This 0 will be shifted to left. Again, this 0 will be shifted to left. How many bits I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many do I want? Total 6. So I will take this 1 over here from Q. Again, shift the contents of Q towards left. This 0 will come here. This 0 will come here. This 0 will come here. And this 1 will come here. So I have to decide the value of Q0. But when do I decide? I decide after I perform AC is equal to AC minus M. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what are my contents of AC after left shift? It is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. And what are the contents of my minus M? 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. When I add them, I get 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Is your answer matching with my contents of AC? Please check.
Yes, ma'am.
0, 0, 0, 1 and 0. Okay. Now I have completed AC is equal to AC minus M. Now what does the algorithm say? We have to decide the value of Q0. So what it is, if the value of your AC is 1, you have to make the value of Q0 as 0. But after this, you also have to perform AC is equal to AC plus M. Then only the value of your original AC will be restored. But if the value of this AC is 0, you have to directly make the content of Q0 as 1 and do not restore the value of AC. So since this is 1, so what will be the value of my Q0? Value of Q0 will be 0, correct? After this, so I have set the value of Q0 over here. Now I will do AC is equal to AC plus M. So what is the contents of AC? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0 and contents of plus M. What is the contents of plus M? 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. What do I get after this? All 6 ones. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
No,
ma'am,
sorry,
not
wait.
so, ma'am. Not so.
No, ma'am.
Yes, wait. 0 plus 1, 1, 0, 1. And I'll discard this 1. So I write after the contents of AC is equal to AC plus 1, I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0 and 1. Q will be copied as it is, as I have already set the value of Q0. And now I have to check whether is the value of this AC and this Q matching with the value of AC and Q after left shift. So do they match? Yes. Which means what? My cycle 1 has completed and these values are being restored again. Yes. So with this we come to cycle 1. Continue with cycle 2. Can you continue?
Yes,
So have
ma'am.
you got the everyone has got the cycle 1 correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Continue with cycle 2.
Yes.
So I am writing the answer of cycle 2 on the screen. So we have performed restoring here since the content of AC was 1. So Q was set to 0 and then we did AC is equal to AC plus M and we have restored the original value before performing subtraction where the contents of AC were 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 and contents of Q were 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. So we have restored the value. Check your answers with the one on the screen. Is this done? Is the second cycle done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So start with the third cycle and check your answers on the screen. There is no restoring in the third cycle because the content of AC was 0. So we have directly made the content of Q0 as 1. So whenever we set the value of Q0 as 1, we do not do the operation AC is equal to AC plus M and the value is not restored. How many cycles we have to do depending on the number of bits in your Q. So your Q is of 5 bits, so we'll be doing 5 cycles. Is the answer of third cycle correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Girls, are you doing? Sanika? Shakira? Are you all getting? Sonia?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Mrudul? Okay. If you have completed the third cycle, check your answer for the fourth cycle. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. This is your fourth cycle. Since the value of AC was 1, so we have changed the value of Q0 to 0 and we have performed AC is equal to AC plus M and we have restored the value of AC as well as Q after left shift. Is your answer of fourth cycle correct? Everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Check the answer of your last cycle, fifth cycle. Zero, 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 1, 0. Contents of Q as 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Tell me whether have we restored here or we haven't restored.
No.
Ma'am,
We
No, ma'am,
haven't
not
restored.
restored.
We have not restored because the content of AC is 0. So we have directly changed the value of Q0 as 1. So whenever we change from 0 to 1, we do not restore the values of AC and Q. So what is my remainder? The remainder will be the contents of AC. And what is my quotient? My quotient is contents in Q. So the result of 17 divided by 13 is 0,00010 and quotient is 00101. Has everyone got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Take one question. Perform division. Take the next question. Perform division of following numbers. Perform division of following numbers. The number is, check from the screen, A divided by B, where A is equal to 1, 1, 0, 0 and B is 0, 1, 0, 0. Start doing. So out of this, you have to find out what is your Q, what is your M, what is how many cycles, what is your AC, and what is your minus M. Find this. So what is my Q? Aksh, give me the answer of Q.
1100.
Yes, 1, 1, 0, 0. Tahir, give me the answer of M.
00100.
Repeat 0.
0010
Huh?
100.
0. Okay. Drashti, how many cycles? Drashti, how many cycles? Disha, how many cycles?
Ma'am, 4 cycles.
Yes. Gargi, contents of AC? Gargi. Gayatri, contents of AC. Harsh. Gargi, I can't hear you. Harsh, contents of AC. Jay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Harsh has told contents of AC as how many zeros? 5 zeros. Okay. Jay, tell me content of minus M. Minus M. Double one. I could hear only that much. Triple one, double zero. Correct. So we have found out what is our Q, which is nothing but A. Our B is M. We know your N is equal to number of bits in your Q, which is 4. AC is always N plus 1. And minus M is 2's complement of M. So start doing the first cycle. AC, Q and operations. So initially the size of my AC will be 5 zeros. And content of my Q will be double one, double zero. The result of first cycle will be given to me by push. Push, as soon as you finish the first cycle, give me the result. If your mic is not working, give me the answer in the chat box.
Yes, miss. As soon as this gets over, I will. But I am kind of finding it difficult with the restoration division, so it will take me a little time.
Okay, it is 10:31 in my watch. I give you 2 minutes. 10:33. I want the result.
Okay, ma'am. I'll try.
Kenneth will give me result 2. Nidhi will give me result 3. And Rudra will give me result 4. So if you all cannot put your mic on, give me the result in the chat box. Yes, Kush. Contents of AC after first cycle. Put your mic on, Kush.
Yes, ma'am.
Contents of AC.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm still doing it. Wait, ma'am. Yes. Okay. AC is first is initialized to it is 4 bits, so n plus 1. So then it is 0005 times.
I just want the answer, final answer after result 1 in AC. Don't tell me intermediate steps.
Acha, you want the answer after the left shift?
I want answer after the last operation that you have done in first cycle. Did you complete first cycle?
Yes. The last answer of AC is 0. 1 second.
Hmm.
0
Huh?
00001.
How many zeros?
4 zeros and the 0 Q0 is 1. Q0, sorry. B0 is 1. Yes.
Whatever written on the screen, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Give me the contents of Q.
1 triple 0.
1 triple 0.
Yes. Ma'am,
How-
triple 0. Ma'am,
How,
triple.
how come your contents of Q are
No, ma'am. It is only just 1 and 3 zeros. 1 triple 0.
1
1 0 0 0.
1 0 0 0?
0. Yes. Is and
Is this
operation was AC is equals to AC plus M.
okay? Last operation you performed was AC is equal to AC plus M. Now check, did you get values restored?
Yes, ma'am. After restoring after the left shift, I got 0 0 0 1 1, and Q is 0 0 0 with one box and empty.
Tell me, you got Q as 0 0 0 1 and one box empty, right?
No. Q as 0 0 0 and then one. The last box is empty.
And the last box is empty.
Yes.
Okay. So, is your answer matching with Q? Just check.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Is the answer restored?
Sorry.
Have you restored the answer of Q and AC both?
Yes, I have restored the answer of AC also, ma'am. It is AC is 0 0 0 1 1.
Okay. So your content of AC is 0 0 0 0 1 and content of Q is 1 0 0 0. So this is the answer of the first cycle. Okay.
Yes.
Kenneth, second cycle.
AC is 0 0 0.
Just a minute. Has everyone else got the cycle 1 correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, continue. Result of second cycle.
AC is 0 0 0 1 1.
0 0 0 1 1. And Q is
4 zeros.
4 0. So have you performed restoring?
Yes, ma'am.
What yes? Is the restoring one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Coach, mute yourself. Coach. So the contents of AC after second cycle is 3 zeros, 1 1, and Q is all the zeros. So we have restored the content of Q as 0, and after that we have performed AC is equal to AC plus M. So the contents of AC and Q are restored after the left shift. Correct, Kush? Kush nahi, Kenneth?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Nidhi, third cycle. AC is 00010 and Q is 0001. Okay, correct. So the contents of AC is 00010 and Q is 0001. So tell me, Nidhi, have you performed restoring here? Yes or no? No. Why? Because your AC was 0, so you directly converted Q0 as 1. So whenever we change it from 0 to 1, we are not supposed to restore. Rudra, cycle 4. Cycle 4. Rudra, put your mic on. Has everyone got cycle 1, 2, 3 correct? Dishank?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Rudra, you're supposed to give me answer 4. And if not, you will be marked absent. Assuming that you have just kept the lecture on. Sonia, cycle 4.
Yes, ma'am. AC is 50.
5 zeros, okay. 1, 5.
And Q is 0011.
Okay, 0011.
No, ma'am.
No, but restoring is not performed because AC is 0. So you have directly changed your 0 to 1. So what is your final result? Do I have to go any other cycles or I have to stop here?
Stop here.
We have to stop here. Contents in your AC and your quotient is contents inside the Q. Okay. So is this understood to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Has everyone got the same answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So with this we complete restoring division algorithm. Do you want?
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in my third cycle, I got a different answer.
In third cycle. Okay.
Yeah, I was getting the value was getting restored in my third cycle.
See, values will not be restored. Why? I will tell you. In your second cycle, the contents of AC are 4 zeros, 1 0. Sorry. The contents in third cycle. You are talking about third cycle, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So contents in your second cycle were 00011 in your AC and all the zeros in your Q. Okay. So after this, when you perform left shift, you get 00110 in AC, and
Yes,
in
ma'am.
Q you get and in Q you get 3 zeros with 1 empty box. Correct? After that, you perform AC is equal to AC minus M. Okay. So when you perform AC is equal to AC minus M, you get the contents of AC as 00010.
When we do AC minus, no, ma'am, I got different. I got 4 1 and 1 0.
So that is where you have gone wrong. AC was 00110 minus M is 11100. So when you add them both, you get the value of AC as 00010. Okay. So now since the content of AC is 0, you directly change it to 1 and you do not restore it. So you have gone wrong in AC minus M. Check that again.
Yes, ma'am, I'll check.
Okay. Anybody else who has got any answers wrong in any of the cycles?
Ma'am, in the first cycle.
Okay. What has happened in the first cycle? Your value of AC initially is 50 and your content of Q is 1100. Correct?
Yes,
then
ma'am.
when you do left shift, your contents of AC becomes 4 0 and 1,
Hmm.
correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And your Q becomes 1 0 0 with one empty box of
Box.
2
Yes,
0,
ma'am.
correct? Yes. Now when you do AC is equal to AC minus M, you get the answer of that as 11101.
11101.
Yes. Did you get that?
Yes, ma'am.
So you get 11101 and the contents of Q as 100 with an empty box.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now since AC is 1, so you will set Q0 as 0.
Zero.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So your answer after you set Q0 is 11101 in AC and 1000 in Q.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct? Now when you do AC is equal to AC plus M, the contents of your AC becomes 00001.
Okay, ma'am. Understood. And I understood my mistake. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, understood. Okay, and contents of Q will become 1000 stored as per your left shift. Okay. Anybody else in any of the cycle? No doubts in restoring algorithm? Yes or no?
No, ma'am. No doubts.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
So with this, okay. So with this, I assume that you have understood restoring algorithm of division, and we complete this topic. Do you want any extra sums for practice? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am, if possible.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I will give you 2 sums for practice on your classroom. Take the questions from the classroom and we'll solve it in the next lecture before we proceed to the next topic. Okay, so I'll give you 2 sums for that. Again, this topic is very important from exam. 100% sure you will get 1 question from this. Okay, even though Booth's algorithm also you will get 1 question, you will get 1 question from restoring division also. Either it will be write the algorithm and explain the flowchart, or draw the flowchart and explain, or it will be directly solve the questions, or it can be both, explain as well as solve for 8 marks. Okay, so see to it that you practice. Now in the next lecture we will do non-restoring division technique, and we'll solve the 2 sums which I give you as a homework. Now if you see the syllabus, open your syllabus. If you have your syllabus in front of you, I'll also open. If you could see, in the second chapter, we have completed with Introduction to Arithmetic and Logic unit. We have completed representation of fixed point and floating point. We have completed addition of positive number, sign addition, subtraction, binary multiplication, signed, unsigned, Booth's algorithm, and restoring division. So we are left with non-restoring division, floating point representation. And can you see this part, representation and operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division? 2.4.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what we will be doing in that is, I'll just show you. Just a minute. If you could see the screen, these are the algorithms for addition. Same you have for subtraction. Same you have it for
Ma'am, can you share the algorithms in classroom?
Just a minute. Let me complete, Pratham. Same you have for multiplication and same you have for division also. So if you could see, the flowcharts are very huge. And it is not possible for you to understand also. So what we have decided is, we will skip this part. It was also skipped for last year students, and it will also be skipped for you all also. And it won't be asked in exam also. Okay. So you all do not have to study this part because it will become very difficult and you will get confused with these Booth's algorithm and this algorithm, division and multiplication algorithm. So we have decided to skip that, okay? And it won't be asked in the exam also. But still, if we get a time after we complete the syllabus, I will take those sums or I will take those algorithms just for making you understand, but still it won't come in the exam. Am I clear with this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This part, representation and operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division won't be asked in your exam because those flowcharts and those algorithms are very difficult and you might get confused with binary multiplications algorithm. So if I complete the syllabus before time, I will take this, but still it won't be asked in your exam. Okay? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I assume that you have understood unsigned multiplication, Booth's algorithm and restoring algorithm very well. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Give me your attendance. Faizan. Faizan. There. Hamza. Absent. Muzammil.
Present, ma'am.
Faizan present. Yes, I have marked you present. Tahir.
Present, ma'am.
Neeraj.
Present.
Om.
Present, ma'am.
Yash.
Present, ma'am.
Samarth.
Present, ma'am.
Devang. Reva.
Present, ma'am.
Soham.
Present, ma'am.
Jonathan.
Present, ma'am.
Sakshi.
Present, ma'am.
Murdul.
Present, ma'am.
Asna.
Present, ma'am.
Dhruv.
Present, ma'am.
Sanika present. Mayuri.
Present, ma'am.
Pritesh. Priteshi present. Aditya. Aditya absent. Prayag.
Present, ma'am.
Moez.
Present, ma'am.
Akash.
Present, ma'am.
Sonia.
Present, ma'am.
Aksh.
Present, ma'am.
Sahil. Nidhi. Pratham. Shlok. Devang. Drashti. Parth. Parth. Pooja.
Present, ma'am.
Krishnam. Nirmal. Pruthu.
Present, ma'am.
Harsh.
Present, ma'am.
Krisha.
Present, ma'am.
Kenneth. Vignesh.
Present, ma'am.
Jay there. Nishit there.
Present, ma'am.
Varshil.
Present, ma'am.
Shakira.
Present, ma'am.
Taha.
Present, ma'am.
Disha there. Arjun.
Present, ma'am.
Prithvi.
Present, ma'am.
Keval. Sushant.
Present, ma'am.
Dhruv.
Present, ma'am.
Kush. Rudra.
Present, ma'am.
Rudra, you are marked absent because when I asked you to give me the cycle fourth answer, at that time I guess your mic was not working. Gayatri, there, okay. Gargi, Kavya, Nishant, Yash,
Present, ma'am.
Prem,
Present, ma'am.
Sharad absent. Shrey present. Tanmay, join the classroom please, so that you get to know the communication for CO lectures. Naman, Ritesh. Naman nahi. Tanmay, take the classroom code from Dishant. Okay, I will put the class practice sums on the classroom. Solve it on Wednesday. We'll discuss. Okay. See you all on Wednesday now.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.